on my way to my friend's house right now, and I feel like my hat is lopsided. I feel like my wig look crazy. Whew. Okay, so I'm on my way to my friend's house. We randomly just decided to go to Toledo. And our other friend already had plans to go to Michigan to see another one of our friends. So me and Brittany, which you will see later, are on our way to Toledo. So I'm gonna go to her house so that we can get in her car and go to Toledo. And then from Toledo, we're gonna spend the night in Toledo. And then from there, we are going to go to Michigan to see our friend. So yeah, this was very literally, I was at work. It was like the last hour of work, and she had asked our one friend what she was doing this weekend, and she told her, and then it just kind of happened. So yeah, and I told them, I was like, I'm gonna be vlogging. I was like, I'm gonna try and vlog. So hopefully if you're seeing this, and that means I successfully vlogged this weekend and I have enough content to put a video together. So I told them I was gonna be vlogging, so get ready, be like, just know that I'm gonna be randomly pulling out the camera. So yeah, we shall see how this goes. As you guys know, I'm not really good at vlogging. Actually, I think one of the last vlogs was with them when I lived in Toledo like 3 years ago. So it should be a good time. We did just see each other, so it's not like we haven't seen each other in a while, but it's been a while since I've been to Toledo. Like, I don't know if we're gonna do anything in Toledo, but just being there is always weird. The last time I was there was when we went to my friend's baby shower, who we're going to see tomorrow. So it should be a good time. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys when I get to Brittany's house, because I'm getting on the highway right now, so I really need to focus, because Cleveland police just be on it. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys as I get to walking. I think I better leave this place, cause I'm about to catch a case. Fuck R. Kelly. You're mistaking me for somebody else. Frank, shut up. Told Josie, oh, but I told you. Play some Frank Ocean. Play some Kanye. No, he's Hello. Hello. All right, I'm gonna try this vlogging shit again. Hopefully, does my face look ashy compared to my neck? I don't know. That's what it's looking like? That's what it looks like in this camera.
So you record on your phone and then you transfer it?
Yes. So we're gonna try this vlogging shit again. I didn't get to vlog yesterday because my phone died. But we didn't do anything besides go to a bar and watch people dance. Oh, we went to Applebee's
and laughed our ass
off about those ugly wigs on Family Reunion. They played that girl with that wig. I'm gonna insert a clip of the wig so y'all can see. It was bad. It's 2019. There's no reason that black women should be on TV with horrible hair. Hire black hairstylists and get a good wig.
Even Tia had a bad wig?
Even Tia had a bad wig. Like, she got too much money. I would have brought my own wig. Like, we about to put this on.
Tia got great hair. She don't...
Exactly. They don't even need wigs. They can use their hair. Like, they have gorgeous hair. That's why they need to hire black hairstylists that know how to do black women hair. It's that simple.
Oh, I thought you was charging your
But we are on our way to Livonia, Michigan. And I'm gonna have to cut this vlog off because of copyright issues, which we also talked about yesterday. You can't even play music because they're gonna get you for copyright. Hey guys, happy Sunday. So it is Sunday. And right now I am just cooking dinner. And I am also watching Ashley. So I'm watching Ashley D Beauty's new vlog, and I am cooking dinner. And it's Sunday. It's Euphoria Sunday. It's the second to last episode of the season, so I'm really looking forward to that. I really like this show. It is on Hulu. If you guys haven't watched it, you should definitely check it out. Well, it's on Hulu if you have HBO. But that's really all that I'm doing. What I'm cooking for dinner will end up on the blog. So I'm like taking pictures of the process so that I can get that on there as well. I am launching a new blog, so it will be on there really soon. So make sure you guys are checking the description box. And you follow me on Instagram, which is Beauty with Bree. It'll be here somewhere. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram so that you can see everything that posts when the blog launches and everything that's going to be on there. Again, I don't know if you guys follow me on Instagram, you saw me post, but I am thinking about redoing my room. I'm not thinking I am going to redo my room. Just kind of like change like the decor, just a little, touch it up a little bit, bring some new energy and life into the room. So if you guys would like to see like a vlog or the process of me doing like my room like on a budget, like beauty on a budget, like I did before, then let me know. Go ahead and comment in the comment section. Let me know if you guys want to see that, and I will record that and put that together. Hey guys, so I had already started eating, and I was like, oh wait, I'm supposed to be showing you guys. So this is the finished product. It is chicken, mushroom, shrimp, and pasta. And again, the recipe will be on my new blog. So once that pops off, I will let you guys know. So make sure you follow me on Instagram so that you can see everything. But I am just eating dinner. Hey guys, so I now look really crazy, but I am getting ready to take a shower. Like I told you guys, I would show you like my shower routine. We'll just show you the products that I use for my like my long showers that I take on Sunday. So I'm just going to show you guys. This is the soap that I've been using. Typically I always use Dove, but I usually use like their Pampering line. I just started using this one. I just really like the smell, but any Dove body wash. Sometimes I use Olay. I switch it up depending on like what I'm in the mood, but this is the one that I'm using now. And then I'm also going to exfoliate. So I was using a Shea Moisture exfoliant, but I can't find it anymore. I think they discontinued it. They do have another one that is I'm thinking about trying, but I picked this up today. This has like a lot of good reviews on Amazon. So I did pick this up today at Target. I got the Pina Colada one, the Coco Colada one. They all kind of smell like hair grease. So I'm interested in see how much I like this. This will go on first, and then I wash with that, do this, then wash with that again. So hopefully if the smell is too bad, that will cover it up. But I also am doing that. Then I have my EOS shaving cream. I am going to shave. I usually shave on Sundays. So that's why I say like this shower is usually long. It's like relaxing since it's Sunday to wind down, get ready for the week. But this is the shaving cream that I use, EOS. And then this is the feminine wash that I am using. I'm actually getting ready to like stop using Summer's Eve and start using the Honey Pot. Switching to all organic products. I've already switched to organic tampons, which I have a blog post about that coming out. And then I'm going to be switching over to the Honey Pot feminine wash as well. Honey Pot. And then I also have my dry brush. So I also do dry brushing. I usually try to dry brush 3 to 4 times a week. I need to get better at doing this every day. But this is just, it's equal tools, and I picked this up at Target, but I am going to dry brush tonight. And then lastly, once I am done, I will lather my body in this. This is my absolute favorite lotion. I picked this up from Makeup Shayla. I saw her posting about this like a few years ago, and I've been using it ever since. So yeah, that is my summer shower routine. So I'm going to go ahead, shower, and I'll talk to you guys before I go to bed. Okay guys, I am back. So as you can see now, I have on a face mask. I am doing the Aztec, yes, the Aztec clay mask. So I'm sitting down. This is the last thing I'm gonna do tonight. I'm gonna take this mask off and then go to bed. But right now I'm gonna finish putting on some lotion. my lotion. Finish putting that on. Probably have a glass of wine while I finish up this face mask, and then once this is done, I'm gonna go ahead and go to bed. So that is it for tonight, guys. I know today was just kind of like some random information, but again, like I said, it's gonna be like a combined vlog, so you'll see more stuff after this. Maybe not. I don't know where I'm gonna end this month's vlog at. But yeah, that's it for now, so I'll talk to you guys later. So it's Monday night. I am currently watching Jaclyn Hill's new video, and I am putting together this month's vlog. So I just want to come on here. I want to talk a little bit about what's happening with my channel, and then just, yeah. I am working with coming up with like 8 topics that I'm going to be doing every month, so that I can like have content planned out and just fill in like the bubble. So my thinking is I'm gonna do 1 monthly vlog, because as you guys see, this vlog is very like choppy. I'm not really good with vlogging. I forget to pull out the camera, but I really am trying to get better. But I feel like until I am in that place where I feel more comfortable vlogging, it's easier for me to do like a month vlog and just put a whole bunch of clips together into one. So that is what I'm going to be doing. This is episode 1 of that. Also, I'm going to put out 2 makeup videos a month, at least 2. Now there may be more, but I want at least 2. So I want to do 1 DIY video a month. So right now we're at 4 videos. I'm going to be doing 2 cooking videos. So also thinking is I will do kind of like a clean with me video. Now this may not happen every month, and another option that my friend gave me was also to do like financial like budgeting stuff. So I think I will be switching those 2 like in and out. Granted, my apartment is only so big, I don't think you guys want to see me clean the same thing over and over. But maybe I'll throw in like a haul, those types of things. With that being said, I want you guys to tell me what you want to see more from me, so that I can make a list and have like a running tally of what type of content I need to be producing. And then also I will be launching my blog again. So like far as the recipes, when I put cooking recipe videos out, then the written recipe will be linked to my blog, so you guys can have that as well. But yeah, I'm really trying to get better with staying consistent with my content. My 3 or 4 year, or maybe even 5 year. Anyways, I've been on YouTube for a long time, and I haven't had a lot of growth because I have not been consistent. And a lot of times I used to blame it on other things, but what it comes down to is I was not being consistent. So if I really want this, I need to get to it. Like, I need to really put my all into it. So with that being said, that is why I need you guys to comment in the comment section the type of content that you would like to see from me next, so that I can make this list. And the start of August will be laundry. So that was my alarm telling me to go get my laundry. But starting August will be very consistent, so 2 videos a week. I'm going to be trying to get more shooting like actual like fashion pictures and more stuff for my Instagram, so I really just need to like book it to the next level. Also, I have a new collection launching with P.S Luxe. I don't have the exact launch date just yet, but I need you guys to go ahead and follow P.S Luxe on Instagram, so that you guys will know when everything is coming. I am working on a bunch of things for P.S Luxe, and I'm really nervous because it's like a huge investment. And putting it out to the universe, I'm manifesting that it is going to be very successful, so that everything that I'm doing will pay off in the long run. If you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell notification so that you can be notified every time that I upload. And yeah, so I'm just gonna close the vlog out here. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it to the end of this, I am so very grateful for you. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.